Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. This time I made this statue of Indian soldiers hoisting Indian flag. It took almost 3 weeks for me to complete this, so let me share you how I built this structure. Main things required for this are thin bending wire, aluminum foil to wrap around the wire, air dry clay, and clay sculpting tools. First I drew the rough outline of how my structure should look like. Then I took wire and bent it along the drawn image. Like this, I made all the wire figures. Next I wrapped it with aluminum foil. Once the skeleton was ready, I applied first rough layer of clay. I will keep this for drying so that they become hard. All my sculptures have hardened and ready for detailing work. I also made these shoes for them so that I can stick them directly. I made sculpture little wet with water so that fresh layer of clay can stick to it properly. I use clay sculpting tools to blend the clay and to give shape to our sculpture. Before this, I made clay sculptures of Captain Jack Sparrow, Joker, Deadpool, Groot, Ronaldinho. You can check them through my playlist. In Joker video, I showed the complete process of how to work with air dry clay. Here all my figures with shoes are ready. Now to make guns, I use these inflating pins. I inserted wire in it and wrapped it with aluminum foil. After that, I applied clay and gave it shape. I found this method best for making gun. This is how they turn out. To make backpacks, I folded aluminum foil in rectangular shape and applied clay over it. With the help of clay tools, gave desired shape to the bag. Here I applied some clay so that they can stick properly. After sticking their heads and guns, they look like this. Now to make flagpole, I got this spoke from my old umbrella. You can even find this type of spokes in cycle wheels. I will be using this wooden plank as base. This plank is strong and it will provide good support to our structure. I applied thin layer of clay over it. Then I rolled some aluminum foil to make uneven surface. And then covered it with clay. After drying, this is how it looks. I will place this spoke here. Now let's align and stick all the soldiers. I placed some clay at their feet so that they can stand firmly. Later after drying, I also applied superglue around their feet. I made their palms same day so that I can adjust them around the flagpole. Now to make flag, I cut small rectangular piece from the box. I kept it soaking for a day. Next day, I used pencil to give it waving shape. After drying, it turned out like this. I painted Indian flag over it. Our flag is ready. It's time to paint our soldiers now. I used poster colors to paint soldiers as I wanted matte finish on them. As poster colors are water based, they are soaked by the clay, giving matte finish. This structure is my tribute to our Indian soldiers, warriors who sacrifice their life for our safety, who defend our borders day and night. Indian Armed Force is world's second largest military force. Being a proud Indian, I always wanted to make a replica of this statue, and today I am happy I did it. This statue is from Indian Army Memorial Shimla, which says Nation First, always and every time, and is 4 soldiers representing unity of soldiers of the Indian Army hoisting national flag after victory. This statue always reminded me of Kargil War, when Indian soldiers recaptured all Indian posts in Kargil that had been illegally occupied by Pakistan Army. Since then, 26 July is observed as Kargil Vijay Divas. Here I painted it with grey and black to give snow-clad mountain effect. This flag gives altogether different feeling of patriotism. Lastly, I will use this metallic gold paint to give metallic looks to soldiers. I gave dry brush effect to them. This is how they look. If you found this video interesting, then a like from you people will be highly appreciated. Also, please do rate my art on the scale of 1 to 10. Share with your friends and subscribe for more such videos. Be creative and keep creating. I will see you next time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.